Thinking about making your own baby food? To find the best baby food makers of 2021, we tested the top 10 options after researching and purchasing more than 19 products over the past 10 years. Each food maker was assessed for performance, ease of use and cleaning, and health and safety. From the all-in-one steamer and blender machines to travel-ready handheld options, we did the messy work, so you don't have to. Let our recommendations assist you in your search, and you will be cooking and blending homemade, fresh food in no time. The first product on our list is NutriBullet Blender. The NutriBullet Blender is an all-star machine, producing silky smooth purees with the capacity to blend large batches of baby food. The container is BPA-free plastic and large, 64 ounces, and easy to clean. Wipe the motor base with a damp cloth, and everything else is dishwasher safe. However, we recommend hand washing to prolong the product's longevity, and a bottle brush, like the OXO Tot brush, works well to reach nooks and crannies around the blade. We think this machine is great for families with multiples or those who want to make extra baby food to freeze and store. The interface is simple and straightforward to use, and there is a range of settings from low to high that get the job done no matter what the task. The NutriBullet's size takes up room on the countertop or cabinet. It is also not an all-in-one machine, meaning you will need to cook the food elsewhere before blending. However, we think steaming on the stovetop is just as easy as an all-in-one machine, and it avoids the plastic-related health concerns that come from cooking in plastic. There is no doubt that the NutriBullet produces excellent, smooth purees that are perfect for a beginner baby embarking on the solid food journey. So, if you seek top-notch puree quality, want the capacity to make generous batches of baby food, then the NutriBullet is the one for you. The second product on our list is Sage Spoonfuls Puree and Blend. The Sage Spoonfuls Puree and Blend produced near-perfect puree every time with a simple, intuitive interface that is ready to use right out of the box. Its compact size, versatility, ease of use, simple cleaning procedure, and high performance of puree quality are impressive. The immersion blender allows parents to puree softer foods to a perfect consistency in a matter of seconds, and the smaller size means it can go anywhere and be easily stored. We think the food processor is equally effective, quickly grinding brown rice or oatmeal into tiny granules, perfect for baby cereals. We did run into a few hiccups with some crunchier than desired carrots while using the immersion blender, so you'll need to double-check purees before feeding. This immersion blender is unequipped to handle hard, raw foods, but the food processor can take over to finish the job. In short, this product blends like a dream, sports a small footprint in your kitchen or on travel, and will remain a useful cooking tool well beyond preparing food for your baby. With a budget-friendly price, it is hard to find fault with this healthy option. The next product in our list is Oster Pro 1200 Blender. The Oster Pro 1200 Blender sports a Boro-class pitcher, unlike any other competitor in our review. We believe this material has multiple benefits. It is durable, not easily scratched, unlike some plastic contenders, doesn't stain, and we consider it a healthier option than plastic as it does not have the potential to leach chemicals into food contents. The blender's puree quality score is higher than most, and considering the product's cost, we think this blender is satisfactory for most blending needs when making homemade baby food. We also appreciate that the blender's parts are easy to disassemble, making the cleaning process significantly easier. One disappointment with this blender is that small chunks of food can become trapped under the blades, which isn't ideal and requires extra attention to make sure the puree is thoroughly blended. Of course, the Oster Pro is not a high-end blender, but we greatly appreciate its Boro-class pitcher and consider it a great perk when making baby food, allowing us to overlook most drawbacks. This glass blender is a good option for parents trying to limit their baby's exposure to plastic. The next product is OXO Tot Food Masher. If you are prepping baby food on the go for your toddler, the OXO Tot Food Masher is a handy product. It is arguably one of the simplest baby food makers on the market and includes a masher, bowl, and lid. With a compact design, The masher can dismantle and nest inside the bowl, plus it is lightweight and small, making it portable and ready for your next adventure. The OXO is manual and muscle-powered, so reaching the desired consistency when mashing some foods can take effort and time. Softer foods like steamed veggies and soft fruits, specifically banana and avocado, yield the best results. It also cannot remove skins or seeds, so it isn't suitable for younger infants. Considering its puree quality, the OXO is best for a child who can manage texture, not a beginner baby. Also, some users report that the lid can come off in a diaper bag, creating potential messes. If you are a family who wants an inexpensive food maker useful to life on the go, and your baby can manage some chunks or texture, then the OXO is a great solution. The next product in our list is Hamilton Beach Food Processor. With the power, space, and a bowl scraper accessory, the Hamilton Beach Food Processor appears to be a handy machine when making homemade baby food. Across the board, it creates smooth purees suitable for most babies, and its container capacity makes it a strong candidate if you want to make large batches. With multiple parts, there is a bit of a learning curve with this machine, particularly when compared to other contenders. But our biggest issue with this machine is that after multiple uses we noticed fine scratches on the plastic bowl, leaving us concerned that those scratches might mean that plastic particles could be getting mixed with the baby's food. In our opinion, this issue alone left us uncomfortable using the product for making baby food, and we would not recommend it to a friend. With other competing products in our review that both score higher and don't share similar concerns, we suggest looking elsewhere. The next product in our list is NutriBullet Baby. The NutriBullet Baby is an attractive baby-centric option, thanks to its adorable and child-friendly design. It comes with lots of extras, such as 2 blender sizes, storage cups, and a freezer tray. Although you will need to house these accessories, the blender does not take up much space on your countertop. When it comes to puree quality, this smaller gadget did well, creating smooth purees that work for most babies. While testing, we noticed an unknown black residue underneath the extractor blade, leaving us to worry about what is creating this substance and if it enters the food. Multiple negative user reviews on Amazon also evidence this issue. The full review contains more details and a response from NutriBullet, which acknowledges the black residue, but claims it does not reach the food. While we have no reason to believe this mysterious black residue presents a health or safety risk, it is nonetheless an issue we don't see on any other competing product. And, frankly, it leaves us uncomfortable using the product to make baby food, or to recommend it to a friend. Therefore, considering this issue alone, we do not recommend this product, despite its blending performance. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. As always, all the links about the products will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices, and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.